Hey YouTube, Appalachian Survivalist. First test of the new chicken water. Filling it up now as we speak, and we'll see if she works. So as you can see, I have taken a 4-inch pipe. I've necked it down to a 2.5-inch pipe, and then necked it down to a 1/2-inch pipe. And what we have is now the chickens are able to drink whenever they want. It's a lot easier and cleaner than the system that I had. I'll show you that here in a second. See if I can get my hand in here. See the water there? Now, anytime they're thirsty, they pick that little yellow thing in there and it gives them water. Altogether, it was about $30 at the hardware store for everything that I needed. And here's the old watering system. And as you can see, I tried hanging it from the coop, and no matter what, it just kept sagging. It would always leak out, and they would always fill it with the straw. But as you can see, this system is working quite well. And all I have to do is fill it up from the outside. Makes it a lot easier. And I eventually plan to run some gutter from the chicken coop here. I'm going to run some gutter here and then have it feed into here, so it will be rain fed as well. So sorry it's been so long. It's been one crazy winter and early spring with work and everything else. So I'm hoping I'll start updating more and more as I get out here more and have more time to work. So as always, God bless, and like and subscribe.